Hi everyone, Caroline from ThoughtFarmer here, and today I'm going to walk you through our latest release, ThoughtFarmer 10.1. There are actually quite a few updates and improvements for 10.1, but today I'm just going to focus on two: registration limits for calendar events and an updated rich text editor. So let's start with the event registration limit. Event registration is a feature that you guys love, so much so in fact that you had asked us to extend the functionality. And specifically, you wanted the ability to set a limit on the number of people that can attend the events that you create. And that rationale checked out for sure. A registration limit would allow you to better manage larger events. You could keep event costs under control, the registration process would be more fair and balanced, and this is especially true now as we continue to live through a pandemic. You would be able to guarantee employees' safety by ensuring attendees have enough room to socially distance themselves from one another. So for 10.1, we have added functionality that will allow you event organizers to limit the total number of attendees per event. Now, as with most things in ThoughtFarmer, setting that limit could not be easier. On the event creation page, you'll notice a new option called Limit the Number of Attendees, as well as an option to override the default upper limit. And honestly, once you've done that, you're done. You have just successfully added a limit to the number of people that can attend your event. There are, of course, a few scenarios that might impact registration limits. So what if you need to increase the limit for a very popular event? Or what if you need to decrease the limit after your event has already reached capacity? Or what if you need to disable the limit altogether and move the event online? Don't worry, our product team has thought of all of these edge cases and has included functionality that can accommodate every eventuality. But if you do have any questions on this feature, you can reach out to your customer success manager. Now, the second feature enhancement is to the rich text editor. And the eagle-eyed among you may have noticed our updated rich text editor when we were creating our event earlier. But essentially, this update allows Intranet admins to change the actions available within the rich text editor. And it also makes the rich text editor sticky, which means it will remain visible and in the same position as the user scrolls down the page. This is obviously a pretty technical feature that is managed through the admin panel, so I won't get into too much details, but if you do have any questions, please again reach out to your customer success manager. And that is pretty much it. There are lots of other updates, including a few cool app enhancements, but as always, you can visit the documentation section of our community site and read the detailed notes for the 10.1 release. And hey, just in case you missed our webinar on the ThoughtFarmer mobile app, you can click the link on the screen to view the recording or head over to the webinar playlist on YouTube. And as always, remember to subscribe to our monthly newsletter that highlights our most exciting news and updates.